Singer Zubeen Garg's journey to the cremation ground will start at 7:30 a.m. Tomorrow from Arjun Bhogeshwar Barua Sports Complex, where his mortal remains have been placed for people to pay respects. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has said this. In fact, he's also said that the state government has decided to build memorials in his honor as a mark of respect.
Postmortem report cannot be better than Singapore in Guwahati, because they are technically much better place than Guwahati. So I personally did not wanted to encourage a cutting of his body. You know how postmortem is done. But still, as a chief minister, I cannot go by my own emotion. I have to take decision on the basis of mitigating circumstances. So as there is demand, and I have seen one or two leading people has also raising this demand. So we have decided to accept the demand, and morning it will take 2 hours. We will go through the process.
Even as Assam prepares for the last rites of its greatest musical maestro Zubeen Garg, we are here outside the Bhogeshwar Barua Sports Complex, where this is the second day of the public tribute of the cultural icon Zubeen Garg. Remember, his mortal remains were brought to Guwahati from Singapore via New Delhi yesterday, and since last evening his mortal remains have been kept inside this sports complex. And you can see outside there's a massive turnout. Thousands of people still waiting outside the complex. They're not able to make their way inside the complex to pay their last tribute to Zubeen Garg before his last rites tomorrow. In fact, now the state government has decided that after 12 in midnight, there won't be any more, this place will be closed and there will not be any more public tribute. So therefore, people have turned out in large number so that they can get into this sports complex inside to pay their last tribute. This just goes to show the kind of love and affection people of Assam have towards Zubeen Garg. We already saw yesterday in his journey of his mortal remains from the airport to his residence, there were lakhs of people on both sides of the road, a sea of humanity. And you can see here also a sea of humanity. Even before the proceedings for the last rite starts tomorrow, there would be another post-mortem done on his mortal remains. Now the state government says that they have taken this decision for yet another post-mortem on the mortal remains of Zubeen Garg, because there are certain sections of the people who are demanding that.